Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of Foyle, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Veneta, Chelsea, Welch, Foyle, Blue Jacket, New Alu, White Oak, Hollow, Pyramid Corners, Bushy Head, Centralia. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 264 and 265. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.